how to make a groove in your commercial vinyl. Take a look. We have to get the wallpaper in here against this groove. Show them real close. See that? Are they getting the idea? Okay, let's do it. Real quick. I'm going to set it in the corner first. Before I went on video, I already did that, just so you know. Now, the paper's really relaxed, and now we're going to force it into this groove, which is a plastic protective corner. It's a commercial place, and so they want their corners protected. Obvious reasons. Come in close. Show them the groove. We'll continue with the rest of it. Find the groove. First, let me hit the corner again. We don't want the corner moving, obviously, so we're going to make it nice and soft. I'm going to find my groove. Now let's go. We gotta keep moving. If we use metal, we'll slice right through it. We don't want that. We're just trying to make an impression in the vinyl so that we can just slice right through it. We're almost there. Almost there. One more time. I got my smoother right in that corner. Okay. Let's see how we do. Okay, we don't want to use this. We've compromised the integrity of this. So we'll get another one. But it died for the good of the you know. This is really not easy. I don't like saying that on videos, but it really isn't. Okay, so what am I doing? I'm angling my left wrist outward so I can keep that knife in the groove, just in case my smoother decides to go on its own way. See if I'm doing all right so far. You see, if I didn't heat this up, I wouldn't be able to get it in there like this. It's got to be heated up against the firm spatula. Okay, folks. I'm just saying, you know, I'm trying to give you an option on how to do this if you ever come across this. Doing it so far, so good. Let's just get this mess out of our way. Okay. Spatula started going in its own direction. Pull that knife in, my fault. So you see what I'm doing, I'm making it where it can't go in its own direction. Okay, keep coming down. So far, so good. Really, one of those things that's just a pain when you gotta cut wallpaper. That's all I'm saying. Almost there. Okay, show them the cut, please, up and down. Thank you. Come all the way down, show them the cut down here too. Just as long as they get to see that it's right up against there where we heated it up. And did our thing. Oh, the lighting is terrible in here. Just go up and down, I'll try to get you light. All right, there you have it. Oh, you can still make it out.